Have you ever wondered how to revisit your old Instagram stories? Maybe you posted something a while back and want to see it again? In this video, I'll show you how to find and view your old Instagram stories using the built-in archive feature, and the steps are the same for both Android and iPhone. We will simply open the Instagram app on our phone and then make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. We will then navigate over to our Instagram profile by tapping here, and here we are. The next step is to access our settings. So tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. The thing which we're looking for is this archive button, and that is where all of our Instagram stories are going to be. You see, every Instagram story expires after about 24 hours, but it is not deleted permanently from the Instagram servers. It will be automatically archived in stores here, and you can see your old stories which you had posted on your Instagram profile in the past. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.